Hi guys, my name's Jessica and I will be doing an example of inference for a single proportion from chapter 9 and we'll be doing problem 58. So in this problem, they ask you to find the 95% confidence interval for 1,500 people, and of those 1,500 people, 17% said that they would label the US economy excellent/good. So to do this, we're going to open up JUMP, and you want to put in two columns, one of them being ratings in the very top, and the other one being count. Underneath ratings, you want to put excellent and good, and then other to represent the other ratings they could have gotten, as well as the 17% and the 83% that said the corresponding excellent or good and or other. So next, you're going to go to the top of your screen, click Analyzed, Distribution, and you are then going to go down to Ratings and put that in the Y column. Put Counts in Frequency, hit OK. And I'm also going to pop this nifty little graph, and we're going to use this to do our calculations. So to do that, you're going to go to Ratings, Confidence Interval, 0.95, and on the bottom, you're going to see it pop up a confidence interval and give you a lower confidence interval and an upper one for excellent/good. So our conclusion for this problem would be our 95% confidence interval for the true proportions of Americans who rated the US economy as excellent/good is between 0.151839 and 0.189847. So by using JUMP, it makes it a lot easier and you don't have to do a bunch of crazy calculations to get that confidence interval, and it's just overall super useful. So I hope this was entertaining at least, if not informative. Have a great rest of your day, guys.